Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we'll continue our series in JavaScript fundamentals. In this series we try to answer JavaScript question that you may face in your interview, and today we'll talk about what is the post message. So the post message is a method in JavaScript that provides a way for different windows or frames within a web application to communicate with each other. Like, even if they originate from different origins, like of different domains, they still can connect with each other. Like, it allows data to be sent securely and synchronously between windows or frames, such as between a parent window and its child iframes, or between different browser tabs or windows. The post message method allows you to send message, which can be any JavaScript object or data, from one window, the sender, to another window, the receiver, and vice versa. This is particularly useful for cross-origin communication and coordinating actions between different parts of a web application. So let's just try to give an example. So first we try to create a child window. So const child window, which will be a window that open. Let's make it different here, and child, and I have maybe localhost 3000. Maybe I will make it an HTML file. Like, I will say like a child .html, for example. This is a tab, and I'll say const the message, and it will be equal an object. I'll say the message equals hello world, and the value will equals let's say 42, and I will create a post message. So child window that post message, and I will post it with like HTTP localhost 3000, for example, or I could just make it like HTTPS example.com. I could do it like that also as well. And in the child window, which is the receiver, we will so we will create this one. So we will try to do here in the child window, we will do like window.add event personal messages. I have like a message, like whenever we receive a message, we have a callback, which will be the event, and inside the event I will say if event the origin doesn't equal, for example, https.example.com, we should no if it's equal, no, if it equals, we should do something. So what we should do, we should, for example, console.log event.data, and I'll say I want to say maybe like let's say it's received from parent, and yeah, it will work like that. So in this example, the parent window opens a child window, which child.html, and sends a message, which is a message data, to it using a post message. Okay, the child window listens to a message. The child window listens to for the message event and checks the origin of the sender. In this case, if the origin of the sender is example.com, to ensure that it only accepts messages from a trusted source. This mechanism allows for secure communication between windows or frames from different origins, helping to prevent cross-site scripting, XSS attacks, and ensuring that data is only exchanged between trust sources. Post message is commonly used in various scenarios, such as implementing a cross-origin communication between a main application and embedded iframes, coordinating action and sharing data between different browsers, tabs, or windows of the same application, building multi-window web applications that require interaction between separate windows. In conclusion, it's important to handle messages with care, validate message origin, and ensure that the data exchange is safe and expected to maintain the security of your web application. So it's postMessage is the way that we can, like, for iframes to connect with each other in a secure way. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you in future problem.